This is a 1934 Royal Portable O model. It's been fully refurbished and it is ready for use. Has a new silk ribbon installed, so the print is very nice and dark. This Royal Portable O model, 1934, has beautiful black keys, glass. The key legends are new. They really look perfect. Also has new decal on it. The type's really nice. It's got a new silk ribbon installed with metal spools. And that silk makes the print really dark, really nice. The finish overall is in really good shape. It does have some wear, some blemishes from normal use. Place here is chipped a little. The platen and paper feed rulers have been reconditioned. They're in good shape. The decal on the back has also been replaced. Looks identical to the original. The replacement rubber feet, they work well, but they are just a little bit bigger than the original. This machine also comes with a reprinted user's manual and the original case, which is in pretty good condition, considering its age. The original handle is leather, and it does have some cracking and shows a little bit of age. Most of these 30s model Royals with the leather handle, the handle's gone. This is still intact, but I wouldn't wouldn't put a lot of faith in it. It may break eventually. So you're going to want to be careful when you handle the case. And because their replacement feet on the typewriter are just a little bit bigger and a little bit taller than the original, the hold down latches inside the case, they won't hold the typewriter down. They no longer hit where they're supposed to lock the typewriter down. So to allow for that, we have a piece of foam installed up here that'll hold it. When you close the lid, it'll hold the typewriter down so the typewriter can't come loose or bounce around inside the case. Some cases don't have these latches anyhow, so it's not really a problem. It's the 1934 Royal O model.